My name is Jisoo Sahu. Today I am going to create a Spring Boot application. So let's start. First, we go to our web browser and search start.spring.io. Okay, just 1 minute. Yes. Here Spring initializer is coming up. Okay. So here Miven has a project and choose language Java. And our latest Spring Boot version is 3.5.3, and so you are choose the 3.5.3 version. Okay, go to the project metadata. Here is the section group ID. This group is preferred for our company name, so which will write in reverse order. So for example, my company name is google.com. So here I am writing in reverse order, com.google, not google, like this wise. So here my company name is my com.mycom, and okay, go to the artifact section. In artifact section, we create a jar file. So it's the name of the jar file. So my jar file name is first up. So look at here, name is also is first up. So here you can also change the name. You can change your name, but I suggest this is the as usual, this is the first up, but I could not change the name. Okay, description section, demo project for Spring Boot. This will not be changed. Okay, here is the package name. In this package name, this is a combination of group ID and artifact. So here com.mycom.firstup, this is our package name. Okay, go to our packaging. I am created jar file, so I will select a jar, and Java I am using 17 version, so I will choose Java 17. Then again right section, we are add some dependencies. So here add dependencies. So in the search box we put right web. So here Spring Web dependencies is available. So this Spring Web included the configuration build web, including RESTful application using Spring MVC. These are the dependencies is automatically added. Okay, and it is also Tomcat server. Also added Tomcat server. Okay, let's generate our jar file. Okay, the zip file is download. Okay, our zip file is downloaded. Go to our folder section, download. Here is my first zip file is here. Okay, so second step, we go to our Eclipse ID, sorry, Spring Boot tools ID, STS ID. So here is the Spring tools for Eclipse ID, STS. Open it, and here is the workspace. I have to choose my workspace. So this is my workspace document. SBAP is my workspace. Here I can upload my all code, all my coding section. Okay, launch it. Okay, our ID is open now. Okay, this ID is open. Now we have to go our folder section. And create a new folder called, okay, go to folder section, and we have to create a new folder section in our Eclipse, in our STS workspace. So here is my workspace. So I have created a new folder. Name is kind of explore. I have to name explore. Here explore folder, I have put my zip file, and here I will unzip my folder. So my folder is here, and I will to copy this zip file and let put into SBAP and explore folder. Okay, I will paste it. Okay, my zip file is here paste. Okay, I unzip my zip file. Okay, here my folder is created, and this folder section, these are the code section, coding section. These are the codes, and these are the sources. Okay, here this folder I will import in my IDE. So go to IDE, and here import the project, and you can also here in import section and go to import and type Maven. Existing Maven project you have to select. Here define root directory. So we have to choose our location. So I have choose our location. Okay, 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 our project, the pom.xml file is show it here. So I will select the pom.xml and finish it. Well, my project is fully loaded in our IDE. Here in this my project, these are the folder sections: src main java and src main resources and src test java. Okay, these are the folder sections, we have to see it. This src main java, uh, it will contain all the coding section. We have to you have write java codes. Okay, and this is also our base package. Here src main or resource, src main resource, uh, this contain some additional configuration file in this in this resource file, and it's giving us to add html and css files also. Okay, and this section src test java, all the unit test and integration testing code will be there. Okay, so it is JRE system library, where we can see our java 17 jar files are loaded and some libraries are loaded, and event dependencies are also loaded in our project. Go to our pom.xml configuration file. Just look at here. In this pom.xml file, you just see the top URL. It is giving some error because of some certificate issue. So I will solve. So you just remove the https you to okay okay, I will http and you save the file. Okay, our error is sort out here. Okay, this is our model version 4.0.0, and we will choose the 3.5.3 version in our Spring initializer, and group ID, this section com.mycom, this is our group ID, and artifact ID is fast hub, and version 0.01 snapshot. Okay, so problem is there. Okay, here, yes, group ID is com.mycom, and yeah, this is a ready-made path. We have to write in Spring initializer. Okay, this configuration file have some dependencies. here, and we have to Java version 17. Okay, these dependencies provide some status. One is Spring Boot starter web, and another is a Spring Boot starter test. uh, these are the built-in configuration. Okay, the starting up Spring Boot application, we have only one Java class is here. So here is my Java class. So open it. First app application is my first Java class is here. So this code is look like core Java. Here the main method is available. Main method is available. So Spring Boot is started from main method. Okay, and going to our resource folder. So this is our properties, application properties. Okay, I will later will discuss about properties. We go to our first app, and this class is annotated with the Spring Boot application. Uh, let us discuss about the later in that topic. Okay, now we run our first project, and we can do using Maven commands. So uh, before we run our Maven command, we have to know about the Maven commands. So one is clean command, and another is package command, and also another one is Spring Boot Spring hyphen boot run. Here three Maven commands are here. This clean section, you have to clean our temporary files. Delete temporary files, and here package package is compile fast. Compile our app. Our app Java code. Okay, so in this section, and have some jar file, have some jar files to initiate. Okay, Spring Boot colon run. This is run command. The run the Spring Boot application, run the Spring Boot application. Okay. Okay, now we go to our first app, right click and run as Maven build. Here is the goal section. We have we write clean and run. Okay, save it. Here our temporary files are removed and build success, and go to first app, right click, run as Maven build. Here goal section we will write clean for the package and run. Okay, this is also build successful. Our compiles all Java codes, and it built jar files also. And go to last command and run our code. In this goal section we write clean spring hyphen boot run and run the program. Yes, our first project is running up. Here Tomcat is started on port 8080. So 8080 is a default port number. Okay. Here we use Java 17 version. So our first application using Java 17 version with process ID is 3991. Tomcat initialize with port 8080. Starting service. Okay, our Apache Tomcat machine is starting. Okay. Okay, let's check the web browser. Check our web browser. In this URL I'll type http :/localhost :8080 is my port number, and enter. Okay, we have see the result. We have successfully run our Spring Boot application. This is a white label error page. Okay, this is nothing but a error message, but our Spring Boot application is running up. Okay, so in this localhost we have used port number 8080. So we can also change our port number. Go to our IDE and we can change our port number. So go to our source main resources and go through application.properties. Here we will change our port number. Okay, so how to change our port number? I can write server dot port server yeah, server dot port. Here I will create my own port. So 8089 is my port. So we can run the server run this port number 8089, and I will save the port number. Okay, save it. Okay, here you look at our recently 8080 port number is currently running up, and I will do check our 8089 port number. I will run the port number. Goals, clean packages, clean package, have to run. And first and run our application. When built, here goes section. We have write clean springboot spring hyphen boot run, and run the yes. Okay, our application is successfully running up, and here you have to look at that port number. Tomcat started on port number 8089. Okay, so we have changed the 8089 port number. So successfully it continues our 8089 port number. So check our 8089 port number in my web browser. So here we are also, so both port numbers are running up. Okay, 8080 also is running up in that time, and also we have to check our another port number. Okay, http localhost. Okay, my port number is 8089. Okay, let's enter. Okay, here you have to see our Spring Boot application is also running up in 8089 port number. So both section we have to see our port number is running up. Okay. Here my first app is successfully run our first project. Okay. Okay, this section you have to terminate our project. You have to terminate in this red button. The port number 8089 is also closed, and here my first app is 8080 is also running up. I will to close the 8080 port number also. I will close. Here you will terminate in this section. Okay, we have to both port number we have to terminate, and you have to check our URL. Both are not going up. Yes, our port number is also terminated, and this is 8080 port number is also terminated. Okay, thank you.